Have you wondered how to transform your digital creation into a steady stream of income? Whether you are a designer, writer, or educator, Payhip offers a seamless platform to sell your digital products and reach a global audience. Imagine earning money while you sleep with your ebooks, courses, and digital art flying off the virtual shelves. Join me as we dive into the step-by-step process of setting up your Payhip store, creating irresistible products, and implementing marketing strategies that convert. Get ready to unleash your potential and watch your digital empire grow. So all you have to do right now is open your browser and dive into payhip.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, here we have features about, so we have digital wallets, online courses, coaching, membership, physical products. About grow, we have store builder, payments, VAT and taxes, marketing tools, email marketing. Have also themes, customers, pricing, blog marketplace. So to sign up, first of all you have to do is enter your email address, have your sell digital downloads, courses, coaching, and more from one simple platform. We make it easy for you to sell anything online anywhere. So if you have an account, all you have to do is click over login and find your account. If you don't, all you have to do is write your email and get started for free. First of all, let's know about pricing. Here we have sign up for free. We have free forever, so absolutely it's free. Of features, unlimited products, unlimited revenue, as you can see, and you have here frequently asked questions. You can read it to more understand. So let's log in the account. As you can see, this is the home page. Here we have dashboards. Welcome to Payhip. You have taken the first step to sharing your work with the world. Take a few more things off your to-do list and keep up the momentum. We have here 3 steps important to get started. We have add your first product, set up checkout, customize store design. The first step is done, is to sign up. Then you add your first product, then you customize store design, and finally set up checkout. So before that, let's know about products. Here we have as product. As you can see, you have complex 25 100% of your store setup. We have your store analytics. For store, here we have control all aspects of your store look and feel by using the powerful store builder. We have blog posts here, comments. Then we have your analytics. As you can see, all products, you can select the one. If you added before, then you have here this month, have daily view, daily sales. For marketing, also we have other information like coupons, run sales, affiliate, mailing lists, cross-selling, upgrade, and more. Then finally you have customers. As you can see, we have your subscribers, email update, sales reports, followers, and you have here notification. And here we have account settings. We have store builder, free library, explore marketplace, logout, and create mode, create customer mode of using Payhip. So let's click over store. The first step is add the products. All I have to do is click over, launch your store builder, then add first product. You have your digital products. You can select the product type, sell ebooks, software, and other files. Have your course, sell your course, membership, look exclusive content behind a paywall. Have physical products, sell clothes and other physical goods. Have coaching service, sell your coaching service. Bundle, we have bundle multiply products for sale. For sure, we'll choose digital products. Have here add new digital products, start sell, upload your product files, then enter the price, cover image and description. First, click over upload product file, write title, for example product, select price, for example $50. Then you upload a product image. All you have to do is go to canva.com. As you can see, this is the homepage. I already have an account canva.com, so I have a lot of various things. All you have to do is click over customize size and click over 90/20. So then you write your title of product, like so school, university, admission, college, students, other thing, books. So for example, let's write books. As you can see, you can just select the one you want. For example, let's select this one. As you can see, so you can select the one you want, then you presenter notes, and modify all of things. You can delete the title and use your title, the link. You can also position, background color, and other things. You can just also, if you want a great view, presents full screen, and you can also use timer, duration, notes. You can add page and other things. Then you can download it here and go back to the homepage of Payhip and apply the product image. Then you can use a description for your product. So you write your description. So all you have to do right now is dive into chatgpt.com. So it's very useful and helpful in the description. So as you can see, for example, here we have a description of one company here. So you can see all I have to do is copy this one and paste it here. Then you select visible, because everyone can see these products. For sure we select visible. Then you add your product and then you modify a lot of things after add products in Payhip, of course. So the first step is done. If you add your first products, all you have to do right now is customize store design and customize the design of your product to be attractive to the people. So you can just modify a lot of things. So and finally use syrup checkout. If you do is click over syrup checkout your PayPal account, please log in securely with PayPal below to start accepting payments. You link PayPal account, or other way is Stripe account. To get started with Stripe payments, click the button below, accept payments with Stripe. You can also select default currency. You can see will appear on your customer's bank statement. They should recognize it's you. Then your answer statement, description, and save settings. So you have learned how easy it is to create and sell digital products on Payhip, from setting up your store to marketing your creation effectively. Now it's time to take action and turn your passion into a profitable business. With the tools and strategies you have gained, you can confidently navigate the world of digital sales and build a sustainable income stream. Don't wait, start your journey on Payhip today and watch your dreams of digital success become a reality. Your creative empire awaits. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.